at the bank. Good morning, how can I assist you today?
Good morning. I'd like to deposit this check and also withdraw $200 from my account.
Certainly, can I see your ID and account number, please?
Here you go, thank you.
I'll process your deposit and withdraw now. At a restaurant. Good evening, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled chicken salad and a glass of iced tea.
Would you like any appetizers or desserts with that?
No, just the salad and tea.
Thank you. All right, your order will be ready shortly. At the post office. I need to send this package to New York.
Sure, how would you like to send it?
We have standard express and overnight options.
I'll go with express, please.
That will be $15. Can you place the package on the scale?
Here you go, thank you.
Your package will arrive in 2 to 3 days. Scenario 9 at a clothing store.
Hi, there, can I help you find anything?
Yes, I'm looking for a pair of jeans. Do you have any in a size 32?
Let me check, yes. We do, they are right over here.
Great, I'll try them on. Where are the fitting rooms?
The fitting rooms are in the back near the shoe section.
Booking a hotel room. Good afternoon, welcome to our hotel. How can I assist you today?
Good afternoon, I'd like to book a room. For 2 nights, please.
Would you prefer a single or a double room?
A double room, please.
We have a double room available. Can I have your ID and a credit card for the booking?
Here you go, thank you.
Your room is on the second floor. Enjoy your stay. At the pharmacy. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I need to pick up a prescription. For John Smith.
Sure, can I see your ID, please? Thank you, please wait a moment while I get your medication. Scenario 12, good afternoon.
How can I assist you?
Hi, I'm looking for books on World War II. Can you point me in the right direction?
Absolutely, they are in the history section, which is down that aisle to your left.
Thank you very much. At a gas station. Hello, fill it up.
Yes, please.
Regular, unleaded.
Do you need a receipt? Yes?
That would be great, thank you. These scenarios can help you practice over